At ayun, isa rin mga rin dito sa current event issues. Yung
Ayan.
partner ni Dingras, si Ilocos Norte.
Hi, Sir Jojo.
Hello.
Hi! Loud and clear, super loud and clear, all the way from the municipality of Dingras, the executive assistant to the mayor, Sir Jojo Pidlawan. Before anything else, greet ka pailaing, sir, before nga mapanta iti hot issues kineting malen. Thank you so much.
Good, good afternoon to everybody. Good afternoon, Sir Danny, and good afternoon to all the viewers and listeners of your program.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Adaka itata iti La Ilocano, and this encompass everything iti may nga La Ilocano, kat I know you are nalailo nga Ilocano, may nga mano nga managayat, a doting father to his family. How are you doing right now, Sir Jojo?
Actually, to be honest, we are now overwhelmed with our task here because since almost 2 weeks from now, we are now focusing on the contact tracing and the spread of infection from the COVID-19. Kasi as you can siguro alam nyo naman that there is a significant number increase of numbers of COVID cases here in Dingras right now. So that is perhaps for the last 2 weeks, that is the main priority and focus of the municipality.
Okay, sir. May you please give us a hint, no? Ano tinangrugyanan na dito pinag-spike up the cases iti Dingras without mentioning names latan Apo Jojo, tapno ma-realize tayo man because it's really very fast. It's very alarming.
Well, of course, Daddy, I cannot ascertain we cannot ascertain the origin of this virus that is spreading now in Dingras. Kasi based on our contact tracing, of course, the surge is, kumbaga, the highest number of COVID cases here in Dingras is in Barong, Ilocos Norte. And then it is spread out because of the activities of people. So, yung question na saan nag-originate, I'm so sorry kasi hindi pa natin alam yan. And in fact, we know for a fact that this is a virus. So, wala kaming idea. All we have to, determine, we are now determining kung saan ba yung nasaan yung highest number of it, yung peak number of it. And as of this time, it is Barong.
Yes,
That's
sir.
the highest number of COVID positive here in Dingras.
Yes. Datilatan, sir, may you just give us a clear view no digiti adayan dati tali tayo or list tayo for digiti na lockdown nga sitios and barangays iti Dingras?
Yes, Sir Danny. Right now, pinalockdown nga sitio tayo. We have the whole Barong, whole barangay Barong is in lockdown right now. And then a portion of Lanas, I think Sitio Dinga, then Elizabeth, Sitio Balesteros, ito'y Baksil, Sitio Namnama, the portion of it. Then ito'y Albano, we have Sitio 6 and 7, and then Caralta, whole Sitio 6. So, easy lang, Saludares, Sitio, ano ba yung sitio? Certain sitio there. I think it's Naregta o hindi, Naranyag. And then here in Guerrero, sitio Rangay.
Okay, I believe Duwag iti Guerrero, right? The one the may sakit at the Idzay may sa quarantine facility iti Dingras, and the other is naka home quarantine ba? Sir
Hindi,
Jojo?
sir. Yung case sa Guerrero, yung isa is nasa barangay isolation unit. Yung isa is nasa municipal isolation unit.
Okay. So we also have here the in-house pastor of NGT Wellness Center in the person of Pastor Manny Adonai. Ada kano kayat nga damagan kayong ka, Sir Jojo? Pastor.
Magandang hapon po, Sir Jojo. Si Pastor Manny
Pastor.
Adonai po sa dito po NGT Multimedia Distribution services. Ito po yung tanong ko. So, na-lockdown po may mga lockdowns po dyan po sa Dingras, ano po?
Yes po.
Okay, so paano po yung paano po yung kanilang halimbawa yung pamumuhay nila, paano po sila kumukuha ng pagkain or do we have pantries there na ngayon ay natawag dito na para bang ngayon ito yung uso sa Manila
Community
Community
pantry.
pantry.
Yeah.
Actually, since the declaration or place of the lockdown in certain cities and barangays, manlarimaan na po or inumpisan na namin yung pag-distribute ng relief food. We have already started giving relief foods to Barangay Barong and Barangay Medina nung naka-lockdown pa sila. And as of now, we are now preparing the relief operations again, repacking all the goods that we have right now, available right now. And hopefully we can distribute this today, if not today or by early tomorrow. With respect to the lockdown, as to kung saan sila pupunta ng livelihood nila, we all know that the lockdown is not really a total lockdown. I mean, it's not really a deprivation of liberty and that kasi there are certain households or members of the household na hindi muna pinapayagan, like yung members ng primary contact, members ng positive cases contact, yun ang absolutely hindi natin pinapayagan lumunod. However, as you can glean from the executive order of the mayor, pinapayagan naman yung mga essentials, yung mga may trabaho pinapayagan naman as long as they are not within the restrictions na pinapayagan.
Okay, Sir Jojo, deta ni Pastor Adonai. Any more questions coming from you, Pastor?
So yung pong mga yung ibang, di ba, yung mga nag-positive po, Sir Jojo, sila yung parang na total lockdown sa household nila, ganun po ang nangyari doon. So they are ibig sabihin nabibigyan ng distribution ng kanila pong at least makaka-email lang kasi hindi sila makalabas di ba?
Yun po, we are really exerting all our effort with the facilities company. And siguro our resources may not be enough to give all the facilities, pero at least man lang tumutulong naman po tayo, hindi naman po natin sila pinababayaan. And yun lang po, I appeal for a resiliency, sense of resiliency and them kasi kami rin po hindi rin namin gusto ng ganito. And yun nga lang po, we have this problem already. We need to face it as one. And I hope in the fullest time we will be able to.
Yes, Sir Jojo, don't worry, nasa list po kayo ng aming mga prayers at sana po ay ang Panginoon ay patuloy po na matubay sa atin.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, Pastor Adonai. We also have here the CEO of the NGT Wellness Center in the person of Engineer Roland Tamayo. Meron kang mga questions, Sir Roland.
Yes, Sir Jojo. Naimbaga malim mo.
Good afternoon, sir.
Tila damagin ta. Anyway, kita damagmat amin. Di kita kaduwata yun. Tila kahit kung nga damagin no... Adamed lang, di kita supportayan tayong health workers, tapos na tigastak at al-alisto. Dito pa nag-taming tayo kad di kita kalugaran tayong ma-secure da. Kasi di pa nagkunak at itilaing municipality kat kurang time it nurses. Kaya pagamok nga dakil nga tamot, di maitulong, di kita kakadwa tayo ditang BHW, di kita health workers. At nasa nung di pa naka-distribute na kad di kita, Sir Jojo.
Well, sir, siyempre UNJ strategies me on how to address this issue. One of the main factor or actors agad sa barangay level kayo, which is our DHW, our BHOs, our barangay officials.
Mhm.
With respect to our health workers, just to take on, sir, actually, we are already overwhelmed. Tate ko na akong 2 weeks. 2 weeks na
Okay.
dami dito yung RHU, di kita health personnel dito, yung mga nurses mi, mga swab tester mi, and even the utilities are now working together here for 2 weeks.
Wow.
Overtime, kasi
Mhm.
halos, kumbaga, ang, no, agawid kam lang siguro, ang kam lang sukatan, and then sublima nun. Kaya puti, although di naman kami nagre-reklamo, kasi this is our job, this is our commitment to the people.
Alakad
With respect
na
to
kwa.
the
Mhm.
barangay level, ang mga barangay level naman, they are the one who are our partners in implementing the guidelines and the restrictions that we are now following.
Sabagay kahit
Teko na ako.
napintas dito nga inyuswat yu ta tay kasla tay kunamon a 2 weeks duwa nga lawas may isang lawas di talagang in prepare talagang ada contingent planning yung talaga ken I'm so much thankful nga kasi gayam ti ka-eager yung mot ita. So nga we are very happy to hear na ti iliti ding rasaglalo kada kayo nga ada iti LGUs kaya almost 100% nga talaga nga nakatutok kayo kada gito yung nga no adda kasting mapaspasamak and I hope we pray na ingat lang po. DJ lang ti amuming nga may baga.
Opo.
Ingat
Thank you.
lang and then if you need more assistance, okay, adda kami mat dete grupo tayo nga kanayon na umayag this mission. So DJ, maiburay mi.
Thank you, Pastor. In this time of now, in this time of pandemic and in this time of crisis, every efforts, every little thoughts are very much appreciated.
Yeah.
Sir.
Gani.
Okay, to end up this topic, I would like to convey my good intentions, aglalalo king ka and prayers kada kayo amin. Aglalalo kan ni Apo Mayor together with Vice Mayor si Ka kan digiti si Bubuo, the local MDRRMC, RHU, frontliners, barangay health workers. Kan digiti amin nga mangbubo iti frontliners iti tingras. Adda iti NGT nga mang suporta kada kayo in every way. So we really need to hear your reassuring words, Sir Jojo, that our constituents aglalo kadigiti pada nga indigents dagiti deprived, they are not left behind and we heal as one. Can you please reassure our services and our intentions to them? Aglalalo kidati nga time kat it's very depressing, oppressing kan talaga nga mariknati kalungkutan ti dingras. It's like haunted tilangana di Kalman, please.
Well, sir, yes, although that time ito yung pandemic ta, yung rest assured, the municipality will do everything. If there is a need for us to sacrifice more, we will be willing and sacrifice more for people. Commitment, this is the policy of our mayor. This is not just more than a job for us, but it's really a commitment and the feeling of being supported by the people is already enough consideration for us. Yun nga lang, we need really, in order to fight this, we really need the cooperations of the people and follow the protocol. Avoid muna yung mga social gathering, na yung mga unnecessary activities in order for
Okay.
and we are all hoping naman we will be able to overcome this. We have a definite and certain plan for this.
Ayan.
That's an assurance to the people of Digras, to the people of Digras. We have a definite and certain plan for this, and we will going to address it no matter how hard it is, no matter how efforts we have to exert, as long as we will achieve the goal that Digras will be a safe place for everybody or for its constituents. We will not hesitate to exert more efforts and sacrifice more. Sacrifice is just a word, but the commitment is stronger than
Ayan.
that.
Ayan, lumabas na kaming lahat. Yun ang gusto ko talagang marinig kanina pa, that it is very certain, very sure, your help, your care towards our constituents, our loved ones, itidingras nga kasakit, it's very infinite. Awan patinggana nga ayat, awan patinggana nga panagserbi, and that is what our constituents deserve. Aglalalo kadagiti beyond the poverty line, dagiti pada nga awanan, aglalalo kadagiti ma-compromise iti health na. Lalo-lalo na yung mga seniors, di ba Sir Jojo, and they should be our priorities right now. So with the kids.
Yes. Tayo na ako sa Dani, although tayo na ako, we should admit, kaya maamin nga ito ti gobyerno. We have limited resources right now, but our eagerness, but our desire to help, to support, that is our kumbaga create, that is our factors now that we keep up striving and looking for.
Okay. Deta ni Apo, iti the executive assistant to the mayor, Sir Jojo Pidlawan. Rest assured that NGT Wellness Center, together with our multimedia distribution services, we are more than willing enough to conduct med missions. We will be able to give simple packages, aglalalo kidete, probiotics to strengthen the immune system, kadagiti frontliners tayo. I hope we can give it later, something, Sir Roland.
Yes.
Ito no mumalumakasa. And adape baking ka Sir Jojo, iti PNP Dingras headed by Police Captain Joseph Calderon, we have started barangayanihan. It is our way, kaputa iti LGBT to NGT, we are PNP attached orgs. Iso nga da kami mat, the iti benefactors, and sponsors, they are more than willing enough to give and to share. Iso nga da barangayanihan pantry tayo iti municipal police station. How is that?
Thank you very much for that.
And today is Monday and we deserve to be smiling and happy also. You deserve a break, you deserve a rest. Please leave a day, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa paminsan may salatibiyag tayo Sir Jojo, iso nga ti panagbiag tayo dapat ket live within this day. Let our problems itatanga aldaw lang. Ito no bigat ituloy tayo because alam kong hirap na kayo dyan.
One day at a time.
One day at a time, hindi ko lang makuha yon. Please smile. Pumayat ka na talaga. I don't know why. I know you guys are hard up in doing your job. So I salute you. Aglalo ka
Thank
ni
you,
Apo
thank you.
Mayor together with Vice Mayor. Parting words para iti LGU and the rest of the Dingreños and Dingreñas.
Yes, sir. Sa mga digitay kailan tayo Dingras, rest assured Apo, mabanit administrasyon ni Apo Mayor Honorable Jeffrey Sagib, sabi ko mata karkararag tayo, sangsang kami sa tayo kararag, malampasan tayo lang ito, crisis itat ka. And of course, aside from kararag, tulungan tayo basit Apo iti gobyerno tayo, surutin tayo, di tayo pag-alagadat na may naging iti COVID-19, against COVID-19 protocols, tapos iti ka staff, alapadan, tagwaras. And
Ayan.
the municipal. Oh.
Ayan, thank you very much for your indulgence and you were able to share a slice of your time para kada kami. Sir Jojo, it's a worthwhile activity for us. Itatanga Lunes, deto'y isan kuntuking ka deto'y pa-slice kuntukin ni Jaber and we'll get to share it because this is one informative information para kadagiti taga-Dingras. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We love you. I love you personally. I love you. You are my brother. You are my urahan nga taga Dingras deto. Na ikamang Dingras ngem tipuso kan kararwana adda kada kami taga Dingras. Di ba, Sir Jojo?
Sir.
Yes,
Thank you,
thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Okay, sir.